Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with essentials: a copy of the workbook and a clear data source, CSV, another sheet, or a web query. Open Data Get Data to choose the connector. This sets a controlled import. Once chosen, inspect the preview and use Transform Data to launch Power Query. You do this because cleaning early prevents downstream errors. Make sure to set delimiter, encoding, and header row correctly. These choices determine how Excel parses numbers, dates, and text on import. You now focus on the complex middle, Power Query transformations. Filter out bad rows, split columns by delimiter, and set column types, numbers, dates, text, so formulas behave. Use text functions or custom M to extract substrings or patterns, date, from text fixes inconsistent formats. Once done, group by or pivot to aggregate and reduce row count, producing the exact extract you need. Make sure to check sample rows as you build steps, because each transformation is applied in sequence. You finish by loading and automating. Choose table, pivot table, or data model and set the sheet destination. Configure refresh options: background refresh, refresh on open, or scheduled refresh for connected workbooks. Once loaded, validate totals and sample records to ensure fidelity. If something goes wrong, open the query editor and review the applied steps. Errors usually trace to data type mismatches or a failed transform. One key tip: use the error pane and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.